Hello everyone, welcome to Lab Medicine. So today we're going to talk about neutrophil, a kind of white blood cell which we can identify in peripheral blood smear with its multilobe nucleus having fine granules with eosin and methionine blue stain. Now how does this cell function? What can actually be the uses of this cell in our body? They provide the first line of defense against invading microorganisms. The granules are the most impactful factor of this cell. They contain enzymes like proteases, myeloperoxidases, elastases, and metalloproteinases, which destroy the microorganisms from invading. The granules also contain the antibody-like peptides, which we can call catalycidins and defensins, which are antimicrobial peptides and they are active against the bacteria and fungi. Apart from that, there is also one important enzyme which is present in the membrane of neutrophils. Now that enzyme is NADPH oxidase. So this particular enzyme gets activated when it encounters toxic chemicals or metabolites that are released from the infected tissues. And once this enzyme gets activated, then this enzyme is responsible for a kind of like bactericidal actions of neutrophils. Now neutrophil also helps in preventing excess loss of blood. How is that possible now? It is possible because they secrete platelet activating factor, which is PAF, that is generally a cytokine. What basically it do is it will just accelerate the aggregation of platelets during that particular site of injury to the blood vessels, resulting in the prevention of excess loss of blood. This is how all these substances present in the granules and cell membrane actually makes the neutrophil a powerful and effective killer cell against the foreign antigens.